What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to name 3 different organic compounds that they are very similar to each other. All of them are aromatic compounds because they have benzene ring, and all of them have 2 ethyl groups connected to them. So you see this is the ethyl group, ethyl group, ethyl group, ethyl group, and here we have 2 ethyl groups. As you see here, the only difference is the location of these ethyl groups. So for example, the first one, if I start with number 1 here, number 2 must be this one because we start numbering this. So it's going to be 1 and 2. Diethyl, di because we have 2 of them. Diethylbenzene. Or you're going to call it o-diethylbenzene. Or you can say ortho-diethylbenzene. Next one is 1 and 3. Again, we need to start numbering this side. We cannot go the other side. So it's going to be 1 and 3. Diethylbenzene. Or like meta-diethylbenzene. Next is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 1 and 4. Diethylbenzene. Or para, p-diethylbenzene, or you write it as para, diethylbenzene. So these are the name of these organic compounds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.